So this is the newest iteration of my helicopter. I guess this one does have the adjustable pitch, and then of course I've added some front controls because I don't know, added a little more agility to it, and then I've got the up and down for the roll on the two sides, and then I've got my controls, and then my tail rotor basically just counters the rotor rotational momentum, or it's supposed to when it can. So yeah, let's see if we can get this thing to fly a little bit. Little bit being the key term here. She's pretty stable. Ooh. Well, let's try one more. And it does have, like I said, the adjustable pitch on the rotor, and then the yaw. But I don't use a lot of that, really. I'm just trying to keep the thing stable. Hovering is not generally an option. Oh, ooh, did a flip there. Oh, there we go. Not a bad design though. Took a lot of work to get it to where it is today. Anyway, that's the helicopter.